Hello, this is Ivan with WTI, and this is the SightPro magnetic privacy screen for MacBook.
This has to be one of the best screen protectors that I've ever owned. The magnetic feature in it is flawless. It snaps right in and right out when you need to clean it. I also really appreciate the precision that they took to cut this protector. It barely looks like it's there. And of course, the privacy feature in it, which is what probably most of you are looking for, it's amazing. I really was surprised of how well it works against so many others that I had that kind of looks dull, but no, this looks bright and it's perfect for your laptop. Also, when you close it, there's not that thick opening. You can tell if you really pay attention that it's there, but it doesn't affect the functionality of your laptop either.
So if you are looking for something that's easy on your eyes, but it also keeps your screen protected, then this is exactly what you're looking for. So don't hesitate to get it. And that's just my point of view.